Hi, this is Fizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on Find My Device on Xiaomi phone. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! By enabling my Find My Device, we can locate your Xiaomi smartphone in the event of loss or theft by typing Find My Device in the Google search bar from another device such as a laptop or PC. Sign in with your active Google account and then locate your lost phone. So how to turn this on? So you can open your settings on your phone. Now you can go to here maybe for the quick access. You can just type on the search bar Find My Device like this. You can choose in here Find My Device here. You can find device toggle. You can just enable by tap on the toggle like this. You can grant, but before that, sorry, you can access locations and SMS, exit device info. Now you can tap on grant. Find device is associated with your Xiaomi account. You need to set the password or enter the password you've set. Make sure you always remember your Xiaomi info. You can tap on OK. You can enter the password. Now you can tap on OK. It's turning on your Find My Device. Now your Find Device is on. If your device is missing, you can visit this web to locate, log, or erase data remotely. In order to update SIM status and make sure that all service work normally, one domestic paid text message will send after you switch SIM cards. You'll be charged for this message by your carrier. You can tap on OK. Now your Find Device is turned on your Xiaomi phone. It's so simple, right? So that is how to how to turn on Find Device on your Xiaomi phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.